Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method on the Goat app. First, download the Goat app and open it. Select the sneaker you want to buy. For example, I'll pick this one. Choose your size. I'll go with size 10 here. Tap select, then tap checkout. On the checkout page, go to payments. You'll see four options: Google Pay, PayPal, Alipay, and credit card. If you choose to add your credit card, fill in your card details, billing address, and other required information. After adding your payment method, you can pay with your card or any other options like Google Pay, PayPal, or Alipay. And that's it. That's how to add a payment method on the Goat app. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.